This is a Tuthill
Kinney vacuum. What was the number? I don't remember. I just wanted to. It is a KVAC. I think it says BB. It's right there. BB. It has a Leeson motor, and that is a. Should have looked at this before, huh? 2 horsepower. Currently wired for 233 phase. Much better with lights on, so maybe I can actually see. Yeah, that looks like KVAC BB. I'll get a picture of it, maybe see it a little better. I thought this was set up as a vacuum pump, but it looks like it was actually set up as a compressor, because this is actually sitting on the vacuum line, which is the filter compressor line on here, or the compressor line. That's the unit. It came out of a prosthetics manufacturer, and they had it all hooked up, and we disconnected it. But let me let you hear this thing run. It was hardwired in. Let me turn it off, it's kind of loud. It was hardwired in there, and that's the unit. It's pretty heavy. It's probably going to be truck shift. I bet you it's right around 160 pounds. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Otherwise, thank you.